Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic 3 litre diesel in Indus Silver. This car's previously had 2 owners and is next due for a service in May 2022. As it's an approved used vehicle, you get a minimum 12 months approved warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour round and then show you inside. You have Xenon headlamps with LED signature for a modern exterior. 22-inch 5 split spoke black alloys with red brake calipers for a sporty appearance. Going into the back of the vehicle, you can see there's plenty of space there for 3 passengers, along with isofix brackets on either side, practical for families. A centre armrest ensuring every journey is as comfortable as possible, and a 4-zone climate control so the passengers in the back can set their temperature. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you have your hands full, along with plenty of space in the boot for items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. A parcel shelf, ensuring your personal items are kept more secure. And you also have a spare wheel underneath in case of any accidents. And you can close the boot using that button or the one on your key. This vehicle also has a black contrasting roof, privacy glass and keyless entry, which again is helpful if you have your hands full. Going into the driver's side, you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates, electrically adjustable front seats and a Windsor ebony leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. This vehicle's done 59,794 miles. So that's the end of the 360 tour, and now I'm going to show you the technology inside the vehicle. On your right you have memory seats, which is practical if there's several people driving the car, along with a Meridian sound system, electric windows and electrically folding wing mirrors, which is helpful if you're in a tight space. It can prevent them from being damaged. Blind spot monitor, which is really useful for motorway driving. Controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter and cruise control, perfect for long journeys. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must, especially in winter. And Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go. On the screen in front of you, you can view your driver assistance, trip, display settings, vehicle information, source and favourites. Touchscreen in the middle with different functions including sat-nav and DAB radio. Along with a rear view camera, which makes parking and reversing so much easier. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control, keeping personal items such as your address secure. And eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven. You also have ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks really effective, especially in the dark. Heated and cooled front seats, perfect for winter and summer so that every journey is a luxury one. Different driving modes, so you've got different modes for wherever you're driving depending on the weather. And in your armrest you have a cooler compartment, which is really helpful for long journeys and keeping refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the vehicle, thank you for watching this video on the Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic 3 litre diesel in Indus Silver. There are many different finance packages available. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.